Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsea Jayy. I am back with another video, girl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this orange fall inspired makeup look. If you have not already, girl, go ahead and subscribe and set your notifications so that you won't miss a slay. I think that's it. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So today, girl, I'm going to be using my Perception palette by Colourpop. I'm going to start off the look by taking Culture into the crease and using that as a transition color. I'm going to take Thick, and I'm just going to use that on top of the transition color. And I'm using the same brush. This is the Morphe brush that came in the set. Next, I'm going to take this Bare Minerals brush, and I'm just going to go into the color Diva, and it's this kind of like bronzy shade, and I'm just going to take that on top of the lid. I'm going to go on top with that same brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going to blend everything together. Now I'm taking just a little bit of my MAC Mineralized Skin Finishing Powder, and I like to go like towards the brow bone with this color because it just makes everything a lot more blended. And so just taking my Real Techniques brush, girl, and just blending everything together. So I'm just going to take the Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline and Makeup Shayla, and I'm just going to apply this on my lash line. Okay guys, so I've already moisturized my face as usual. I'm going to go in with the Hangover Primer by Toofaced, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. On top of that primer, I'm going to go in with my favorite, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Peach Fizz. So for foundation today, I'm going to use the Born This Way foundation. This is by Too Faced, and this is in the shade Butter Pecan. Taking my Sigma flat kabuki brush to blend that out. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade Sand Sable. I'm also going to be going on top using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Tan Sand. For contour, I'm going in with my favorite. This is the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Kit, and this is in the shade Medium. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Beauty Sponge, and I'm just going to blend that out. In place, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just going to put it in the top like I always do, and I'm just going to set my face, girl. And now I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I'm just going to use this Real Techniques brush to buff everything in. I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Dark, and I'm just going to contour my face. And I'm going to go back into those eyeshadows. Now I'm going to sweep. You just want to sweep that powder away, girl. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go into Unbothered. Set my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Primer Water. I'm going to take Boomin. This is my favorite highlighter, and this is from Colourpop. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl Chelsea Jayy. If you missed it at the beginning, hopefully you guys enjoyed this super simple, I guess you can call it a fall routine, girl. Super simple fall eyeshadow look. I just wanted to do something that was easy, something quick, and I wanted you guys to get ready with me because I'm really not going to do anything. I'm just getting cute. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up if you did, and share some positive comments in the comment box if you do enjoy this look. I love you all so much, Jayy fam, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.
Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. Get started with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a